I'm going to be looking at the Azdome 3-channel dash cam with triple cameras. Now that's 2K, 1080p and 1080p. I shall look at it. I'm going to fit it into my car and see how that goes. Do some test video and show that. That's the manual. I shall have a good read through that. I don't know whether this has got an app with it or not, but I know it's got built-in GPS, so I shall show the tracking on that. On the program, there'll be a PC program. Oh yeah, there's the Azdome GPS player, so I shall put that on. Right, inside we get there's a fitting tool for the cable. There's the power lead. And that's a mini USB. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's a GPS. Oh, well, that's a rear camera. So yeah, that's a rear camera. It's a cigarette connection. Line up or screen protector. As I say, I don't know because I haven't read through the manual, but I'll have a read through the manual before I fit it. That's a adhesive pad for the windscreen or rear camera perhaps. Right, here's the main camera, and I'll go through the menu on this. That's open and close. There's the connection in there. It's mini USB. That's the inside camera there, outside camera. Anyway, as I say, what I'm going to do is I'll have a good read through the manual. I'm going to fit it into the car, and then I will go through the menu system on this and the GPS and the GPS player, and I shall come back with that. I've now fitted everything in the car. Now I've hardwired this in. It doesn't come with a hardwire kit, but I've put hardwire and that's all fitted in. Now I've just brought the camera inside just to go through the menu. If I can navigate it from here. There's your video settings, video resolution, loop recording, rear mirror, time-lapse, audio recording, high frequency, video resolution again. Let's go back. And you got the playback mode. Playback mode normal, event, parking, photo. So you can play back from there. Parking monitor settings. And you got the G sensor, middle, that's set on. And you got the Wi-Fi, which links to the app. I have put the app on. Let's just go back to the menu. Got stamp, time, GPS watermark, speed stamp. I've deselected the logo. I don't want it too cluttered on the screen. You've got the micro SD card. This comes with a card, so you can format it, etc. from there. And you've got the GPS settings, speed adjust, speed unit. I've set it to miles per hour. Satellite signal. Well, that's going to show. Not a lot because it's indoors. There you got the system settings, the key tone you can set. Let's go back to that. Key tone you can set, speaker volume, language of course, the screensaver. I think they've got that off at the moment, but that will turn the screen off. Fatigue driving reminder, time zone, date which I've set on there, the license plate which I've also set, and you can go back to default all settings. Let's go back to turn. There's just about, and that gives you a QR code about it. Video settings. Let's have another look at them. Got your resolutions you can set. Loop recording, as I say, that's on. I've set that to 3 minutes. Rear mirror, got that on. Time-lapse video I haven't got on. Audio recording I've got on. And that's it, loop recording, back to there. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I shall put the application on my PC, and I'll get some footage from that, and I'll get some footage from the camera once fitted into the car. Well, once I put it back in again. And I shall come back and put that all on the end of the video, and then come back with my full written review.